Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the multiplication and division command in Siemens PLC S7-200. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss other one. So let's get started. First of all, I will open my that Siemens Step 7 MicroWinsoft software. And here I will take one open contact and one more contact I will take for close contact, and one more contact I will close contact, and one coil I will take, and here one more contact open contact, and this I will take it little bit, and this I will contact with latch, and oh sorry, this is yeah, now it's okay. And this one more I will take the contact open contact, and here we will take one timer TON timer. You can find it here also, the TON timer. And now we give the addresses. I will give the address I0.0, and next I will take I0.1, and next I will take for example T30, and this Q0.0 address we will give, and this holding contact we will take for the Q0.0, and in next we will take the Q0.0 of the open contact of the Q0.0, and we will start a one timer, for example T30, and time we will give for example 3 seconds, so 30, sorry this 30 not, this is the 35 I will write, this is 10 milliseconds. And if I take for example T40, so this is the 100 milliseconds timer, and 100 milliseconds timer, if I like to write the 3 seconds, so I have to be write 30. So this contact also we will change, this T40 I will write, and click enter and download to the PLC. It's very simple and easy method how we can make the multiplication. So as per this ladder, I will click on the I0.0. You can see this timer is now started, and it's when completed is 3 seconds. After 3 seconds Q0.0 is off. But what's our purpose? This 30 seconds, if we like to be write direct 3 seconds, how we can write it here 3 seconds? Because of here this 100 milliseconds timer, we can write just only 30. If we like to write 4 seconds, we have to be write 40, and if we like to be 5 seconds write, we have to be write it here 50. So what we have to be do, stop the simulation, and here I will write MW0 data register, and here we will take the multiplication command. I will take one close contact I0.4 for example, and here we will take the multiplication command. And in multiplication command, one data register I will take MW10 for example, and MW15 data register, and answer I will take in the MW0. So this program I will download to the PLC. Download, click OK, and make the status on. And now you can see here is this 0 time, and here is MW105. I like to, for example, write it 3 seconds. For example, we will write it here just only 3, and after this multiplication command automatically make that 3 seconds time multiply into 30 and after transfer into the T40. And as I give the signal at I0.0, you can see this timer completed the 3 seconds, and after this 3 seconds this output is now off. And for example, I like to write it here, for example 6 seconds. So just I will type it here 6 seconds, and this will be automatically make 6 seconds within this timer, and it will be completed the 6 seconds after it will be closed. So after, if you like to, for example, like to be see this value and so also in this status channel in this 6 seconds running time, if you like to be see, what you have to be do, we will stop this simulation and we will make it here one branch, and we will use this multiplication command. Sorry, this one. So we will make it here one division command. Sorry. In division command, this T40 when I divide by 10, T40 divide by 10 and MW23, for example, I will take and download to the PLC. And after you can see this time will be, you can see in status it will be running time. Now our time is now 6 seconds are set to this T40 timer. As I make this timer, make it on, and here you can see this timer is running time also 4 seconds or 6 seconds you can see. And for example, I will need here 20 seconds, so I will write just 20, and as I make it on, and after you can see it's the running hit time also, you can see it here 4 5 6 7, as when 20 will be completed, after this time will be stop this execution of the Q0.0. So which time you like to be write it here in seconds and indirect, you can write it here seconds. For example, I need it here 4 seconds, so this is I will write 4 seconds, it will be automatically transfer 4 seconds multiply and transfer to the T40, and it will be running. And here also you can see the status of 4 seconds running time also you can see. So it will be continuously divide this time and after show you in status. And here when you write that 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 6 seconds, it will be automatically multiply and transfer to the this timer. So I think this is the easiest way and very easy method to use this multiplication command and division command. I hope you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.